Praise God. Thank you for joining me today. I would like to start a study on the names of God. Names are very, very important. And God has revealed himself to us through many names. For example, when we start out, we look at God's name Elohim, which is translated as God in our Bible. And there is Adonai, which we translate as Lord in the Bible. That is Lord with capital L, small o, r, d. But there is a particular name of God that I would like to focus on in this study. And the reason why I want to focus on this is because of the controversies and the confusion that has surrounded this name. And out of these controversies and confusion, there are some teachings that are beginning to creep into the church, and some of these are found a little bit disturbing, and sometimes I feel, in my opinion, outright dangerous. And the reason for that is because oftentimes some truth, if we don't hold truth in balance, it can become an heresy. And this is very, very important. And I believe that it's important for us to have a look at this very, very closely, because a lot of people involved in these teachings, I believe, meant well. I believe they are trying to bring a truth to our attention. But the truth is that if you don't hold truth in balance, it becomes an heresy. Heresy really is truth pulled to the extreme. And that is why I believe it is very, very important for us to talk about this name. Obviously, the name I'm talking about is the name that is represented by the 4-letter word in the Hebrew that people call the tetragrammaton, that we commonly transliterate into English, transliterate into Yahweh. Sorry, that is YHWEH, or some people will call it Jehovah. And you can see straight away where issues begin to arise. So the question is, what is the correct pronunciation? And does it really matter that we know the correct pronunciation? Okay. What is the correct pronunciation? And does it really matter that we really know the correct pronunciation? When we talk about the name of God, are we talking about just pronunciation? Or are we talking about something else? And these are some of the questions that I would really, really like to look into as we go ahead in this study.